Today's activities is to throw the Tesla screen in here. Supposed to be plug and play, so we're gonna see. But bring y'all along for the walkthrough. Alright, so all we really got is a big wiring harness, and pretty sure you need these right here. So let's stay in, and that's it. So let's go ahead and start by popping this bezel off and getting to it. Alright, y'all already know how to take this out. 8 7mm screws, and this whole thing just slides out. So we're gonna pop that out, disconnect all the connectors, and get on to the next step. Alright, so with everything removed, I think I'm gonna start first by doing all the connections to everything, and then once that's done, no, we'll see. I don't know what's next, so let's get to it. Alright, for the radio piece, we got the, no, this is the AC. We got the disconnect, or take loose these 4 bolts, grab the module out, throw it on the back of the radio. Alright. Next up, we just moved the 4 screws just attached to this plate. And we're trying to get to that to plug in the AC connectors. And then also you're going to remove these screws right here, so you can screw the unit back down. So let's go ahead and knock that out. Now I'm just going to take this connector, plug it in right there, and then this will sit flush just like that, and then that takes your regular connectors right back. So disassemble, and it's just to get to that. Make sure you plug that in, screw it back down. Alright, as you can see, we all done, plugged in. Now it's just time to plug everything up. This unit was purchased on Thanksgiving Day, and it literally shipped from China and got to my doorstep here in South Carolina in 1 week exactly. So it's pretty good shipping time, so I'm not complaining about that at all. And this unit is for basically the 07 and up GM body styled TAHOEs, Yukons, all that good stuff. So just a little bit about the install. So I'm doing what I feel like is the hardest part, is removing those dang clips that holds the factory bezel in. So you get all those removed and transfer them over to the Pheonix Tesla styled screen. And then just a little about this install. So I was trying to do this literally in under an hour, trying to get there and get it done before daylight ran out. It's really plug and play, guys. Like, you have the 4 AC connectors that came from the original unit, the original AC unit. Those go right back in the same spot because you didn't change that. And then I think you only have 4 connectors for the radio. The harness looks huge, but I think you only have 4 connections for the radio. You literally plug those in. They only fit in the spots that they're allowed to, and then you plug them into the back of the radio. Like, it's really hard to mess this up. You want to make sure all your connections are nice and firm, and you shouldn't have any issues. And then you see here, I'm just adding, using the original screws that came out, adding those little side pieces that actually hold the clips in on the Tesla screen unit. You get that added in, and then once you get all your connections done, and as you can see, the screen is already on because I was plugging stuff in right there. Once the connections is done, it's ready to go. It's ready to pop in and be tested. So that's what I'm doing right here. I think you're going to see me in a second start shifting into reverse. I was trying to figure out how the heck to get the reverse camera to work, but this truck didn't come with a reverse camera, so just check that kind of before you do that. But it's pretty simple. You'll see where it's plugged in at here at the end of the video. So hope y'all enjoy. Still got some more to go.
Back home.
All right, y'all. So
be done about another 30 minutes though.
Everything right here wired up. Basically plug and play. This truck don't come with the. It didn't have the factory. It didn't have the factory reverse camera, so that's what I was going to mess with right here, but no need for that. So I'm about to put it in. There go the USB ports. So I'm going to put this in, and then I'm going to see, make sure everything works, then that'll be it. All right, y'all, I've been just messing around. This 422.
And this thing been done about 20 minutes. I mean, it really took less than an hour. As I was saying before, all the AC controls work just fine. Just click it up, turn it down. Just set the Fahrenheit now. Like, I don't see nothing that don't work. If you want to turn the rear stuff on, that works. All you gotta do is click it and turn it up, turn it down. This right here is to turn the dual passenger zone. Pretty sure. Okay, there we go. So now I can turn the passenger different. So that all works. So let's see that. How to turn this off? Gotta dodge. No, I don't do all this. Okay, so I'm turn that all that off right now. Console. Like, I got everything flat. Rear seat audio. Okay, bet that's all the stuff for that. Adjustable pedals. These work. You just hold it, it moves it forward. Click it again, moves it back. Yeah, y'all, I don't see nothing that don't work. I'll report back to y'all, but this has been a super easy install. So yeah, I'm gonna play this a little bit more, then I'll give y'all a final overview of how it looks. That'll be it.